Firstly, insert the wireless programmer into the headphone jack of the walkie-talkie. Turn on the power of the wireless programmer, and then turn on the walkie-talkie. Open the Oddmaster app. You can choose to click on Skip to skip registering an account to begin the next step. Connect Bluetooth. Select the walkie-talkie model. Click Read to read the frequency, and you can see that the light on the walkie-talkie is flashing. After completing the frequency reading, you can see the settings interface. For example, set channel 1 to 425.05. Click on the right button in the bottom right corner to write the frequency. After waiting for the progress bar to complete, unplug the wireless programmer and restart the walkie-talkie. You can see that the settings on your phone have been written into the walkie-talkie.